So when you log into your Cambridge account, you obviously need to make sure you're in the Year 9 text. Doesn't really matter too much though. You go to tests, and in tests what you want to do is you want to create your own Wizard test for these, so we can generate, and every student will have a different, every class will have a different test. Under My Tests, once you come in there, go down to Create. Using Wizard. If you want to select questions yourself, we're going to use Wizard. Then what we're going to do is we're going to select 2 questions from each level. 2 from level 1, 2 from level 2, 2 from level 3, and 2 from level 4. Make sure we select which year level you want to go to. In our case, we're going to do Year 9. Which subchapter you want to go to. Been doing algebraic techniques. Select which subchapters you'd like to do this. Note, what you select for, it's going to create 2 questions from level 1, 2, 3, and 4 for each of these subchapters. So as you note, as I tick off this, you'll see questions selected is 8. It's got 2, 2, 2, 2, which is 8 for 8A. 16, 24, 32. Type in the test name. Chapter 8A to do test. If you're going to create multiple tests, use one full stop for one test. If you're going to hit generate, that will create it. It'll select all the questions for you. You can see there if you like. You can look through the questions if you want to. You can see what all the questions are. Just hit save to that. If you want to create more tests, you can then just hit back, create using Wizard. Again, I'm just typing 2 on my keyboard, make it a bit quicker. Select the yearbook, chapters, now I'm going to give 2 full stops for the second test. So then I can set maybe 8 students this test, 8 students, the other test, and I'll create another one for 8 students for the next test. Hit save to that. How do you assign tests? Well, go back to tests. So for example, I have now 2 tests, 3 tests. So I can now select this one, and they're all going to have different questions. Go down the bottom, hit assign, select when you want to start that. Don't forget about the time. My class starts at 11:50. So I'm going to set it for 11:45 AM for today. Hit apply. I'm going to expire that. Maybe tomorrow. Message for students. Good luck. Now if I wanted to only use the one test, I would just select my class. And that will get, everybody in that class will get this one test that I selected. If I want to just split my class up because I'm not really too sure if some students will cheat or not, I can unclick all students. Then I can select which students want to get this. So Samar and Samar, well I know they always, for example, might want to work together or cheat, so I'm not going to give them this test. So then I might give 8 students this test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then I can hit then assign. And that will only assign those students. Make sure you know which students you assigned a test to, because you don't want to assign them a test twice. Once you've hit assigned, it will then come up in your assigned tests. In your assigned tests, it will say if it's active or if it's expiring or when it expires. Once they've completed it, you can go to student results and you can see all the results here, and it marks it automatically. You can look at what common questions they might get wrong. So down here, I can see my class, I'll need to review this question. You can click on here and it will bring it up, and I can talk about, okay, clearly I need to go through this question with my students because they don't quite get it. And that will basically get you through it.